it gets rid of all the extra BS that you don't need.
So don't ban him. I was about to ban him.
Nah.
All right.
Zay's close.
All right. Cool. Nah, I'm just playing Zay.
Oh, De Niro, you're next, bro.
Denaro, you need to give me some push-ups this morning, buddy.
Yo, that is way better. What the hell?
Profile pic looks like you got no pump. Retake that.
So you guys like Tesla then?
What'd you think,
Yeah.
buddy?
Yeah.
Greg said I missed lifting. Pause. Wow.
You're gonna have TSM at open, Frank?
Man, probably. As much as I want to, probably not. Tesla's just more reliable, and also TSM doesn't open at the open all the time either.
Yo, you play with different size now too. So is that even possible for like? Are you starting to notice like the reasons I stopped playing like some stocks or no?
Not yet. I still have a smooth time playing these other. Yeah, I still have a smooth time playing these other stocks.
Okay.
The only one I've had issue with is I think. What was it recently?
You're lucky. You're in like that sweet spot of trading right now. Like perfect sizing.
You like GS? No? Let me see.
Yo, Kunal, don't even start.
GS.
Goldman Sachs. Yo, they're no longer the bank of Apple. And I knew that Chase was gonna take it, but it looks like Chase actually won that contract with Apple for the credit card.
Oh, just messing with Frank. Oh, I got you.
I didn't even. Oh, I just saw what he said.
Do you have the Apple card, Frankie?
Yeah,
What's your limit on there?
I think it's 6K, 7K. It's not much. It's not much. My gold though, unlimited.
Oh. What about the black card?
Give me another couple years for that one.
Right. That shit took me 8 years, bro. Disrespectful.
Don't you gotta spend like a certain amount with them to get it or something?
Bro, yeah, it's $500K a year, but it didn't matter. I did that for like 6 years straight and still took 6 years.
They have to like invite you, right? Like you can't apply to it.
Yeah. Comes in the mail. That's the cash reward card, Nero, right? Yeah. If you have a platinum card, throw that shit in the garbage, please.
Yeah, the platinum card kind of sucks.
The Amazon, the
Amex. Do not
Amex
get the
one?
platinum
Yeah, bro.
card. The only person in our group that should be getting the platinum card, if anybody, is George. Because he travels the most. That's it.
Nah, but I got the Capital One Venture X now.
Uh-huh.
That's way better than the.
Oh, that's just I was say that's it.
Yeah.
If not just as good or way better.
No, it's better, bro. And it's cheaper. And it's cheaper.
Yeah. Because, bro, the platinum's only for people who are traveling, like, more than twice a month, really.
Yeah, I'm looking at it and I'm like,
You get it
everything on the
from your
Capital
sign-up
Venture
line.
X, like even booking your stuff, like it's the same price and it tells you if you find a cheaper price, it matches the price, like off the, and you get the ×5 or ×10 the points on when you book through their site. But when you book through Amex site, the shit's more expensive than when I booked through Expedia.
Yo, fact,
Yeah,
bro.
You know what I mean? But TSM, TSM, what the fuck?
Hey, yo.
But the Capital One Venture X, is cheaper, or if not the same. So I'm like, shit. I really like. I just got that one. It's pretty. I like it a lot.
The only thing good about the platinum is like getting the targeted sign-up bonus, and then you just cancel that shit after a year.
I think they changed it where I think you have to hold the card for a year, so people don't abuse
you
that.
do.
You know what was cool back then, before people started really getting on Amex, was you could order employee cards, and every employee card you would order, even if you don't spend anything, you would get like 40,000 points. Bro, we had like 100 employee cards back in like 2020. It was pretty sick. Until they...
Just sitting in a drawer or something.
What'd you say?
Just sitting in a drawer, not even getting used.
Yeah, I still have it. Bro, I have
You can
11.6.
still do that. You can still do that.
Bro, I have 11.6 million points on Amex right now. I'm gonna
Dude,
retire with
never
this
have to
shit.
pay for flights.
Okay.
All right, 1 minute left. We all agree on Tesla then.
Yeah.
All right.
TSM's pulling back anyways.
I'm not even gonna worry about it. So
That 1 minute trend's all we really gotta worry about on Tesla.
yeah, what do we do with those trends?
So you know what we do.
Wait, what trend, friend Benji?
The 1 minute.
Oh,
It's like
that one's
there.
fine. Yeah.
I'm also interested in the downside on Tesla. We come down as well. So
Oh, for that gap at like 251.
yeah,
Yo, we're looking at
Mhm.
260 calls, I would say, right?
Yeah.
yeah.
That's what I got.
All right. We're looking at 260 calls on Tesla. It is very close. It's not terribly close, but it is very close.
When do you get your alert at? Mine's at like 85 cents.
Mine's at 70.
Yeah. Mine's at 76.
Just because it's like a morning open, Benji.
Yeah, I got you.
All right, pay
I
attention.
I might not.
Might not take it.
Think I might. It's,
All right, guys, we're looking at 260 calls on Tesla. Obviously, we'd rather this take its time here off the open. That would be great. Like that. That's fine. What happened? How much are they? They're 370.
not
Yeah,
bad.
it'll probably be
Tuesday.
about $4.
They're
when
gonna
we
be
get
like,
in.
yeah, or exactly, like $4.
They hit 4 there at the peak, so yeah.
What happened, Ian?
Quickie here. ES is dropping.
What you mean? They say it's $36. I have no idea.
The wrong contracts.
I don't know. Tesla, bro. You want me to look at it real quick? Yo, Nvidia ripped. How many does it say you could buy?
I didn't have nothing on Nvidia.
Yeah,
Tesla.
Tesla, yeah. Is market? Oh, okay. Market's
It's,
dropping.
market's red, yeah.
I'm in. Still the morning, so be careful.
I'm gonna have a super tight stop loss because of that 1 minute trend. Yeah,
I'm
I hit
out.
mine.
I'm out.
God, imagine we didn't get out. Wow.
That was yo. Look at the stop too. How much did you
Bro,
lose on
I
that?
haven't seen a rejection like that in I don't know how long.
Yo, that's called being fucking sharp. Oh my god. I didn't even lose much on that. What percentage you get on that, Frankie?
A little less than 10%. I got 390 to 365.
Yo,
Nor that stop loss was gorgeous, bro.
yeah, I needed to.
That was beautiful.
I was not gonna mess with that 1 minute trend.
You need to be sharp. Would I play it again? The question is yes. But you have to respect those trend lines. If it shows you it's gonna be there, you gotta get out.
Frankie bounced right off 251.
Mm-hmm.
You still like that downside, Frank?
Yeah.
240s?
250s for me.
Okay.
But I mean, it's almost back at 255 as
Yeah,
well. So it's
but-
like we gotta pick and choose.
All right, it's coming back. Market.
I hate going back and forth.
Same.
New alert at 254.84. Actually 83 now. How much did that drop? $4? Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much. Well, $3 from the top.
Each in one candle. That's crazy. ES is still trying to drop here.
I got out like 253.80, 253.70. Actually, probably before that. Beautiful. All right, yo, Mark, Tesla's coming back up. It's the last time I'm gonna try it.
Same.
Mm-hmm.
Don't care if it comes back and breaks by $20. This will be the last time I try this. Market is trying to come back here. Tesla is almost at high of day. That's why it's worth playing. Same contracts I'm looking at. I'm in.
1 cent away.
Look at this. It's all right. Where's your stop, Frankie?
I got filled at 385. These contracts hit 350.
Like your stop's at 350?
Yeah.
All right. There's still 380 a contract.
Yeah, I'm out.
Tesla doing these crazy rejections today, huh?
If we make a new local low below that, I'm probably gonna stop out there.
Yeah, mine's right exactly there too. Contracts are still 380 right now, 385. I might even end up adding to this because how long it's taking. That was about a 10% stop for you, Frankie.
Yeah, roughly.
Even less.
We don't want this going red here.
No. It's trying its best. My finger's on the sell button just in case it has a change of plans here to the downside. I'm using that candle low that we just had as my stop, George, if that's what you're talking about.
Yeah, that's what I'm.
Mine's
having
actually a little before that just in case it tries to break by a lot.
45 cents.
Yeah, hold up. Let me tell you exactly. So the low is 37. My stop is at 45 if that alert goes off.
Yeah.
I have no reason to rush this. Sized correctly right now. Down barely anything here.
It's been doing all this without the market affecting it too. So
They're saying TOS wouldn't flatten or sell market. Get the hell off of TOS and go to something else. I don't care if you go to Moomoo. But I didn't have a problem selling. Here we go. I think I'm going to add if we get to 95-ish.
NQ's having a nice green candle here.
Yeah. Let's see.
That it's right at that trend. So might just be doing his own thing here.
Yeah, this could be a consolidation breakout here too.
Should be I was just about to mention that this should be a nice breakout if you do get
if we
it.
break out, pull back. I'm.
Wow, look at
I
that.
added. Oh my god, good ad. All right, this is where we need to show strength. If not, I will walk away from this trade happily. I don't care if I
Got
miss
in a
out.
quarter here at 50
I'll-
cents.
I want to mention real quick the contracts
Yo.
are kind of getting stuck.
Yeah,
so
they
keep
are.
that in mind.
They got stuck here at 420 a contract.
Just keep that in mind.
Yeah.
The high in these contracts before that break was 415. They
That's
hit a high
so
of
weird.
425. So So if anybody is in, just be careful with that.
I sold a quarter, Nor.
Nice. Now you could choose because that makes up for that loss right there. George, I'm gonna sell a third in a second.
Once we break this 2 more cents here, I'll sell another half. I mean, another quarter, so I'll be half.
I haven't sold anything yet, but I'm gonna sell a third on this break. My finger's on the sell button. Contract's at 440.
1 cent on the ask.
It didn't
Bid
break,
needs
right?
to come up. No.
Oh my god.
Bid needs to come
I sold
on.
a third, just regardless.
Okay,
Contract's
sold
still kind of getting fucking stuck. There we go.
How much room you got on this?
I
had to 257 was my final target.
Yeah, I have 257.36.
Okay. I might sell another quarter, which will leave me with a quarter above 50.
Yeah, I don't like the way the market's moving, but it is holding up. The price action is very, very aggressive though. Like I can see the way it's moving right now. Like any candle here can be like a 50-cent candle at any given moment. So that's why I'm being extra careful and trying to sell on all the pops that we can get here. So I got 1/3 sold. I still have 2/3 left. If you're comfortable enough at these levels, walk away.
255 is gonna be my trailing now.
All right.
Hold if we can't hold above.
Look at the market slipping here. I already saw that coming from NQ.
Issue I got a lot of room on ES.
Yeah, I have a
We
lot of
break
room on
70.
NQ.
Bounce a little bit here. Yeah, it should be smooth selling market to 257 at least, but not. It won't be if the market doesn't start killing it. So. What's your trailing stop, Nor?
Probably around yours. I might allow the candle to close just because I got a third sold. But right now, the action is okay. You're holding up against the market. Right now, you would expect this to drop a lot more. For example, Meta's getting smoked right now.
I want to see this all the way to
Oh
45.
my god, great hold right there. All right. I mean, it's just honestly the market. You just gotta pop here. There it goes. 450 a contract there.
You want to sell your next quarter here or third?
Yeah, I'm probably gonna sell another third above that 50-cent level, and then I'll have 1/3 left. I just gotta see how we get there. Market's dropping still. Tesla's holding up well, pushing even. We're at 455 a contract, 460. 50 just broke.
I didn't get to sell.
I didn't sell either. I wanted to see how we got there before I even sold.
Get a little help here from the market.
Wow. Dude, if the market did recover here, Tesla would be at fucking 257, 258.
Quickly.
Yeah, very quick. All right.
Pops are aggressive too when they
Yup.
pull the ask.
Yeah. This is where it gets a little dangerous when it's trying to stay in this area for too long. So I'm gonna have my finger on the sell button just in case I pull this trigger. Market sucks for holds today, but we're gonna try to make the best out of this. You gotta just trust the trade sometimes.
It's a nice candle there.
Red to
Straight to
green.
70 here.
Oh
Be
man,
nice.
a little bit. Come on, you need to get to at least 65 cents, so that's a healthy red to green. How much time we have left on? 20 seconds. There we go. 65 should be seen on this candle if it's healthy. There it goes. Nice. That's healthy.
75
Very
right
healthy.
there. Still didn't sell though. Book.
I didn't sell either. You're not alone. Trying to
I'm
trust
still
the
in
trade
bookie,
here.
bro.
Yo, the price action is so fast. For a normal trader, if you're new, this is very fast price action. So don't feel discouraged if you can't read this right now. This is
Yeah.
scary to you. It's very much fun. You should be scared of this price action.
I think now if I see a close below 255.20 is gonna be my stop. Lows below. Anywhere from 255 to 255.20, I need to see aggressive buying.
Yeah, NQ's fucked. Like, if it was up to me right now, I want to be out at Tesla. And I think I might just pull that trigger. Because look at NQ, man.
And ES is about to start making that U-turn as
Yeah,
well.
exactly.
And there's a couple more, just a little longer here.
I'm just trying to let the trade develop, or at least try to, before I pull the trigger here. I don't want to be looking at this and say, damn, I should have just followed my plan, at least. So let me just give this a chance here to maybe make a pullback. I mean, a bull flag. And let's see if the market will bounce.
Not buying it up as aggressive.
You said what?
Yeah, they're not buying it up anymore as aggressively. Red to green on ES and Tesla's dying here.
Yeah.
Red to
and
green on NQ as well.
I don't pay too much attention to that right now, at least, because it was ripping by itself before. So it's moving on its own right now. Oh, well, it was moving on its own. So I'm giving it a shot to see if this is Tesla doing its own Tesla things, or is it just weaker now? All right, finger on the sell button just in case.
Yeah,
We're
it's
back
doing
about
its own thing.
256. What'd you say?
So yeah, it's doing its own thing.
Yeah, see?
That shit.
I mean, the market just popped, though, too.
Yeah.
So I think, George, if we pop through 75 and we don't get through 257 almost immediately, I'm going to get out.
Okay. Same. Both ES here breaking the bottom here. Could be bottoming out. So we can see some soon.
Wick on QQQ, pretty serious wick. Nothing aggressive on Tesla yet. It is a rejection, but nothing serious. You want to use the bottom of this current candle to get out?
I wouldn't mind that. I wouldn't mind that either. Or maybe if it's aggressive into 20, the bottom of that, and go straight through 20, then that's probably what I'm gonna use.
Okay. I'm going to use 40.
Okay. Hard stop, or are you gonna wait to see it close?
No, honestly, I'm going to use a hard sell. As soon as the ringer goes off at 40, it'll probably drop pretty quickly. So I'm going to just sell all of it at 40 cents, 255.40. And I can always play it again. Like, it's not that serious. Especially after a crazy day yesterday. I'm not looking to do too much here today. Market,
Good
yo,
break.
it is doing its own thing. Look at this shit. This is what I'm talking about. You would expect, since it dropped like that and it wasn't bouncing, to have a bigger drop there. Look at the pullback on the market. All right, this is its time to shine if it's going to make a move here. We need to get a pop over 256. Times and sales is very slow, though. I'm not seeing
Yeah.
bigger orders. They're a little bit slow. There we go. Big orders here on times and sales as I say that. Wow. 3,100, 1,000, 1,000, 2,900. We need to rush that over there.
I don't like that rejection there.
Yeah, they sped up above 256, and then bigger order sells came in around the 25-cent mark.
Fingers on the sell here.
Yeah, finger on the sell for me too. I got 40 as my hard stop. And then my next sell would be at, if it did move higher here, it would be at 257.
See this close
Nice. The big orders here. I got to screenshot this so you guys can understand.
Yeah.
I'm gonna send in the stock shot. This is what you want to pay attention to. The green means they're buying at the ask, meaning they're being aggressive. We need them to be aggressive above that 30-cent mark. Frankie, if you need to talk over us for TSM or Maki, anybody, you can. This trade, they already know where we're stopping and where we're taking profit.
I don't like TSM enough to
Okay.
give a signal on it. So
Big drop here in ES.
Yeah, market just crashed.
This is slightly holding up, but for how long? So finger on the trigger still.
Are we missing out on anything?
That's all I had planned, and I'm trying to be done early today. So just cause I gotta finish getting my stuff ready.
Tesla's still holding up. Our stop is not far away, so finger has to be on the sell button. It's only 60 cents away. And it's going to be a hard stop no matter what. And honestly, I don't want it to be a hard stop, but the market's forcing my hand here.
That's a decent. That's still a pretty good trade though.
Yeah. I got hit. That's why. Finger on the sell button. Market just sucks right now.
Freaking candle on ES, bro. Son of a gun. Look at that. That's why I wanted to use 255, bro.
Yeah, it stopped right. Oh, actually, it broke 255, no?
No, 1 cent.
Yeah, it's alright.
No, it's alright. Yeah, it is what it is. I'd rather that anyways than, you know, because look, ES is still getting shot.
Honestly, I don't know. It's just very hard with this market.
Yep.
Let's see. Yeah, this 35 cent level keeps getting rejected. And I'm watching times of sales. Just no orders can get executed up there. Let's see if that changes here. You're starting to get orders above that 30. That's new. Uh-huh.
This is going straight to 257.
Yeah, it is. It is. Damn. I would scalp it, but I don't even want to signal another trade here.
Nah, yeah. It's not.
What is that? 56. Alright. Yo, Meta got killed.
Just want to see this break. I'm gonna walk away after that. Ah.
Let's say we did hold George. Ready? We would still technically be in.
No, I'm not in, Greg. Oh. I hope you didn't take what I said as in, I was in. Oh, walk away. Okay. So what were you saying, Nor?
I'm saying technically we would still be in. So if this doesn't break 257, we still got out at a decent point. Cause
Yeah, 100%. That's why that's why I'm waiting to see if it breaks or not.
yeah,
I want to see 255 break down or the 257.
yeah. I think because if 255 breaks down here, we got a good sell on the sell part stop loss. Because it didn't break 257, I would definitely would have been holding here.
Nice stuff, Bella.
Yeah, you know it's really weak. I might have to take a look at it though.
Meta.
That thing is just slipping. Oh, 555.
There's a real level.
Yeah.
a 15-minute trend that lines up with 555.
Yeah,
Like,
well, we got $2 left, so we'll see.
Tape is definitely speeding up right there
On what?
on Tesla.
Yeah, I was just about to say.
In big order, 6,000.
How much are these contracts?
Hey, you said I forgot what you say. The four after the decimal, what does that mean? The 4 digits. You know how sometimes like on time and sales it has just the normal 2 and then it has 4 sometimes?
My fault, George. One sec. Nice. You played it twice?
Yeah.
Alright. Frankie United is break even for the day.
All right, we like that.
I'm actually. He's like the noob of all noobs too. Yo, I'm gonna play the 555 break on meta.
Did you see the 30-minute?
Yeah.
Mine TSM, no.
Alright, well. Goodbye, meta. Yo, Tesla fucking break or something, buddy. Tired of watching you.
Yeah. This consolidation break is nasty. It should be at least a 40-cent pop. 30-cent maybe.
Yeah, it's kind of wild. Yo, like this action from Tesla is the best. Like this is what I thrive in, but the just the action from the overall market just makes it a lot harder to trust the trade.
Yuhan goes.
Big wall there. No big orders got executed there though. That's terrible. Yep. That's
Yeah,
why
I
you
don't
get
like
the
that
rejection.
break either. I don't like that break like that.
Yeah, because the orders, if you look on time and sales, there was no big orders there.
See, I would have probably sold a quarter and still held a quarter, so I would have been stuck still in this fucking trade. So I'm happy with that. I'm really happy with that as of now. Gone. Let's see y'all.
You're out of here?
Yeah.
All right,
Gotta
buddy.
prep my stuff. I gotta prep my stuff.
I'm going to stick around for another like 15, 20, just so I can see what price action does after news. And I'm sure Maki will be here soon. I mean, he's already here, but. All right. down today? How much you down?
15.
Did you play it again or no?
Yeah, I stopped out twice.
Nor I'm personally looking to get in on meta at 556.
I'm with you on
See,
that.
I would agree right there. It's just it was ahead of the market before, and now look at the market now. I think it's a struggle. Yeah, Alex.
We should get some market moving here.
Normally, I would just stay in that trade. I don't get phased by any type of moves like that. It's just the fact that, the market, NQ and ES, even with divergence, that doesn't really help. We got news in what, 10 seconds? Yeah. How did you know where to set your stop on the first Tesla trade? That shit instantly got piped after you sold. Yeah, for those morning plays that are like very close to open, I'm out as fast as it shows me it's not ready. Market just crashed.
That first Tesla trade, that's one of those just unfortunate ones that just has a nasty rejection. It's like when we have those crazy home run trades, guys. It's kind of like that, right? Sure, we can have crazy green trades that break out, but you can also have crazy red trades that happen like that as well. You just got to be ready for either one.
Yeah, and to pull the trigger as fast as we did, that's just something you have to do.
Yeah, like I when we rejected by $1, I was just like, nope, I'm just gonna get out. I didn't want to look at the contracts. I was just planning to just get out no matter what.
Yeah, and the stop was about 10%. It was perfect.
Yeah.
Like on something like that, you would expect our stop to hit like 20% just because how fast it is. But we were so fast, like replying to that. That's I think an A+ trade right there.
Like I said, I mean that's just part of trading. You're gonna have those kinds of trades. And you guys who have been in the chat for a while, you guys do not see those kinds of rejections often at all. So.
Yeah, at least the stocks we trade, we don't really get those. Or look at that on Tesla, finally giving up.
I'm gonna skip meta for the meantime.
Me
As of
too.
now.
Benji, first trade on Tesla, you lost for 5. Second, you made it 40. That's good.
I took like an 11% loss on that first one. But you guys had a better buy than me.
Well, on the first one?
Yeah, I got like 4s. Was that good or bad?
Bad.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
There goes meta.
Yeah, but them fucking...
Oh, that's the news.
Yeah, that's just because of market right there that it's following.
I like that like 556.50 area on meta. That was like a flat bottom on the 15.
Yo, just in case, get the 550 puts ready on meta. Just in case. I don't think I'm going to take this, but things can switch up fast, so I want to be ready just in case. Show NVIDIA. Wow. I'm not taking this.
Yeah, I'm skipping.
Fuck no.
Yeah, you
Market's
guys do that-
Market's dropping too much, so I can't tell if meta's just still lagging behind or if it's following it, there's not
I will
nothing
not
clear.
be a
Yeah.
victim of market abuse. Say that in your head. I will not be a victim of market abuse.
You guys see that nasty chart on SMCI?
No.
That
What,
chart
like
is
today?
disgusting.
Yo, if we get a bounce here and then we drop on meta, Frankie, I'll take it.
I need to see, and the only way I take this trade is if NQ bounces and meta stays down here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay. If not, I'll just wait and skip. Yeah, NQ's still on a red candle.
Looks way better now, though. ES is popping. My finger's on the buy button just in case this slips here without the market.
Oh, there we go. NQ bouncing a bit now.
How much are these? I'm in. Really looking for the scalp. Wow. Oh my god, I sold half there. Wow.
I scalped it.
I sold half. I'm probably going to sell the rest if we bounce anymore. Damn. The market got to bounce immediately. I didn't even have all my contracts typed up. That's why I ended up selling half. Frankie, you tried that?
No, I skipped it.
Okay. I'm most likely out if we push any more here.
The contracts are doing well.
Yup. Sold half as soon as I saw 554.50 break. That was a great sell. I should have sold all of it though. It looks like I'm out. Still, the contracts are still doing well, but I'm still out. I'm not
Yeah,
taking
we
the
could
chance.
still get that 251 gap fill on Tesla. Potentially. I don't know if you guys would be interested in that. It's kind of behind.
And
That's
yo,
kinda all
Meta
I-
looks so sick right now.
Yeah.
You got out, Nor?
Yeah, I got out.
Okay. You think this is a good hold or not?
Yeah.
I'm still in them, so.
If this gets back above 555.20, Kevin, I would cut that.
Yeah, that was my trailing stop.
So right here, as long as it doesn't get above, I would just it looks like a decent hold. What did you get filled at on the buy, Kevin?
675. I took it at 556.
Oh, you played 555 puts, bro.
Yeah. I had my level at 556.
I don't like that, Kevin.
Yeah, I'm about to sell.
Order cancelled. Order
Yeah.
partially filled.
Just got out of everything there.
All right, good. You're gonna get a quick pop. Yeah, see? Once you see that, Kevin, you have to respect it on meta. Even if it comes back down, you did the right thing.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm looking at SPY calls.
No matter what, meta is green on that trade. Just not as much as I wanted to. Bando took an L on meta. How? Contracts aren't even red right here. Oh, actually, they just did. Never mind. Probably got a bad field, Bando. See, Kevin? Do not fall for those tricks. Market is having a red candle too. You're still in the middle of a green candle on Meta. Bando's 0-3. What'd you have trouble with on the second Tesla trade, Bando? %10 stop on what? Tesla? Second Tesla trade didn't hit 10% for me.
I'm looking at 569 calls on SPY.
Let's see. Hold on.
My
Actually,
entry comes in around the 569.30 range. It's a little far.
Maki, as you're talking about this, I had just uploaded.
You uploaded?
What are you looking at?
SPY calls. So this is approaching in an extension. Therefore, I'm going to be sizing in like 3/4 of my normal position. And then I'll add if we get a pullback to fix my average. I'm looking at the 569 calls on SPY. Hopefully it takes a breather before we get there. It'll make the trade a lot easier.
Maki, talk over me. I'm just going to explain my trades today.
We're far. Go ahead.
All right, first Tesla trade went in light because it's right off the open. That's a rule that we talk about all the time. Didn't work out. Ended up hitting my stop for about 10% because I was quick. Second Tesla trade worked out really nicely. Went in heavier because it was the second retry. Then scaled out and then obviously hit my trailing stop. And then third trade on Meta ended up selling half for nicely green and then the other half right around break even. So it was the last two trades for me are, well, the last two trades are just green. I don't even know where I just put that. What the fuck? Nah, Alex.
Alex, it's situational based.
It touched 255 regardless. Let's see if you'll get it. ASAP Rocky.
We're getting the pullback. That's perfect. God bless.
got today, Kevin? 364, nice.
Yeah. I took a loss on Tesla the first time, but I made it back.
Yo, your sell on Meta even at the end right there. That was green, right?
Yeah, it was like 7%, I think.
Nice.
It was still solid.
What did you do with Tesla? Explain your play on Tesla while Maki's play is developing right now. On your first trade.
Oh, me? Oh, shit. Let me pull it up real quick. After we hit low a day, I saw that momentum start to kick in right around
Wait,
9:34.
what are you talking about right now?
You were talking about Tesla, no?
First trade.
Yeah, that was the first trade.
So what do you mean low a day?
Oh, wait. My bad. I'm blind. Sorry. Second candle of the day. Saw the momentum in there. Saw the pre-market trend. Shout out to the algo. Got a crazy rejection right there. Once I saw that we got below the close of the opening candle.
Kevin, restart, bro. You're talking like a fucking robot.
All right.
Pretend you're having a conversation with someone. Explain what you did on the first Tesla trade.
All right, guys. So on the first Tesla trade, I saw momentum picking up into 255. Had my alert pick up at around 254.80. Got in right there. Saw the nasty rejection off the trend line from the pre-market trend. And yeah, as soon as we got below the close of the opening candle, that's when I cut everything because of how fast that
So how much
rejection
did you lose on the first one?
It was around 8%.
All right, so the close of the first candle was 253.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got out before you.
Damn.
How much did you lose on the first one?
Let me pull it up.
You recorded it?
No, I didn't have my Streamlabs on today.
Why?
I forgot to click the record button.
Why are we forgetting to click the record button?
I ran back late back to my house, and then I had to meditate real quick.
Why did you run late back to your house?
Why did I run back late?
Yeah.
You know, that's a good question. I don't know.
The
I
fuck
woke
do
up
you
really
mean you
too
don't
today.
know?
I honestly I couldn't tell you.
So we just have excuses today.
You're right. No excuses.
No, seriously,
Figure it out,
why are
Kevin.
we late to our desk? What happened, Maki?
It was not me.
Oh.
I said, figure it out, Kevin.
No, I wasn't late to the desk. I was here at like 7:30.
So how did that correlate with you not clicking that record button?
Sometimes I just forget to open up Streamlabs. I can't lie to you.
So what we should start doing, Kevin, is put like a little notes tab on your computer. So when you get to the desk, you remind yourself in step what you need to do. Turn on the computer, open up Thinkorswim, turn on OBS, and start recording. We gotta do things like that just so we can get in motion.
For sure.
You gotta keep asking yourself why. I'm not hearing any reason why you didn't click that button. You can't even go back and see how much you were down in that trade.
That's true.
All right. Anyways, second trade. Go ahead.
Second trade was the U-shaped recovery back above the opening print. I know Nora talks about this a lot when we get divergence. He likes to do this a lot of the times with Meta, Tesla, and NVIDIA, like I told you guys last night in the lesson. And as soon as I saw that U-turn back above the opening print with strength, I took an early entry around, I think it was 254.50, maybe 40 cents, around that mark. And yeah, I was just pretty much paying attention to how divergence was helping Tesla hold in comparison to the market while the market was pulling back. Saw Tesla was holding with strength, and with that, I had that in mind, and I held a little longer before my first scale out. I sold a third for about 16%. And yeah, I think I sold 2/3 around the top right there at around 256.60. So locked in about 20% there, and then my last remaining third, I sold below 255.35. So like overall, that trade was like 18%, made back 694. And then took Meta at, what was it? 556. Want me to explain that one too?
For what, Meta?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Just real quick on the 5 minute, with Meta
Right.
being such a strong.
Pretend
Sorry?
you're having a conversation with someone.
All right. So over here on Meta, on the 5 minute, this was something I was watching over the weekend. Saw that we have this this flat bottom around September 19th up until last week's Friday, sitting right at 556. And with Meta being such a strong stock, this wouldn't have been like my main watch every single day. But the fact that Meta was slipping up today, being one of the weakest stocks right off the open, I was pretty much interested in 556. I know Nor wanted to play 555, but my level was at 556. And this was kind of, let me just pull it back.
So you got in at 556?
Yeah, not the second round when it got back to 556, not the first time.
Okay.
And the reason why is when I saw the market dumping like that and Meta wasn't really doing much, that was the first biggest red flag, right? Because if the market's just dumping like that right after news and Meta's just holding, well, not holding up, like it's still dropping, but not as aggressive as SPY or QQQ is, that's not really giving me the real signal to actually get in the trade. But when I saw Meta break low day at the 10:02 candle, I mean, it's very slight, but it still broke low day. And SPY got that bounce back up and it didn't break low day yet. That was kind of just a small confirmation to me that Meta was ahead of the market, even if it was just a little bit. And I just really liked the level, so that's why I took it. Ultimately, I wanted to target 553, but Meta had dropped enough all day, so a scalp probably would have been better. But yeah, that's what I did today.
Tesla's close, Nor. It's starting to fall without the market now too.
Yeah. I saw that shit from the corner of my eye. Where are you looking at, sir?
30-cent level.
250 puts we're looking at, right?
Yeah.
You want a signal? I'm in.
Market just started to drop.
Yeah, that's so annoying. All right, there it goes.
I'm probably gonna look to sell at 250.50 unless we get an aggressive break.
I don't like when it does that.
Yeah, I'm gonna sell for break even if this comes back up.
Volume is spicy there. Damn, that 30-minute engulfment is kind of crazy.
I'm about to sell here soon. Yeah, right there. That was my break even point.
You get SPY showing signs. I have the ability to take earlier entries now. Just give it a second though. I have the 569 calls on SPY ready. Want to see price acceptance above 70 cents.
It's actually insane. I would be break even right here. No.
Yeah. That's why I stayed in this trade. I'm about to get out though if it shows me any sign. Any more of a pop, I'm gonna be out. I went in light. I was just looking to add at 250. Maki's also looking at puts right now.
Looking at SPY calls.
I mean, calls. So once you say the word, I'm out of here. You'd be green right here, Frankie?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. My fill was 470. So.
I'm break even here. Green. Maki, what contracts are you looking at?
569 calls
Next day.
next day.
Got it. Damn, these contracts, Frankie, I don't know if you're looking at them, but they're pretty insane.
They're just holding value right now, yeah. Which is honestly it's surprising to me.
Yeah.
On a dollar drawback, how they literally only dropped like 10 cents.
I'm getting out before 252 though. Maki, someone said you still doing 3/4. I'm not sure what he's talking about.
Yeah, I'm still like doing 3/4 of a position because I want to add later.
This is consolidating now, Nor.
Yeah, I'm gonna probably add if we can get the right move here.
I'll probably look to retake it myself.
Contract still 485, Frankie.
Yeah, bro.
490. All right. $5. All right, I'm gonna add on the 70-cent break, and then have a tighter stop. Actually, no. I'm gonna add on the 50-cent break. I don't want to be in too early or add too early. Contract still $5.
Matt, I can't give you an exact entry because it depends on the structure into that level. somewhere in the
Frankie,
569
green or
range.
red? Watch out.
Yeah, I'm keeping a close eye right now.
All right. I'm gonna look to add around the 60. I added. Now I have a position size that's worth me holding into 250. Maki, I need you to do your superpowers right now. Oh my god, these contracts racing.
They're moving, right?
Yeah, for a small move like that. So what I'm gonna do is just tighten up my stop to 251.50. It's just not the day to let things ride here. No red flags yet. Where contracts $5. Rejection right at 50. 46 actually. Market just popped.
Yeah, we might get the move here. I'm gonna let everyone. Looking for a close above that 90 cent, a hold above 568.90. My stop is gonna be a 70-cent stop loss. So it's gonna be the a new local low would be the stop. Tesla's rejecting perfectly, but it's not ahead.
Yeah, that's the only problem. My finger's on the sell button though.